Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Are chia seeds good for weight loss? Today let us see how is it good for weight loss, its nutrient value, its benefits with a simple recipe. Let us begin. Chia seeds are the superfoods with plentiful health benefits including losing weight. It is rich in fiber, thus keeps you fuller for longer and prevents overeating. If you are consuming 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, it has 10 grams of fiber that contains 40% of the recommended daily intake. It is also rich in calories and fat, so you need to take in small proportions. Chia seeds are very nutritious and have loads of vitamins, minerals, protein, omega-3 fatty acids and other micronutrients. Now let us see how chia seeds are well for weight loss. 1 ounce of chia seeds has 12 grams of carbs, out of which 11 grams are fiber, which is left unabsorbed by the body. The amount of carbs digesting is only 1 gram, which is very low, thus making it a low-carb food. It contains high amount of protein, thus reduces your appetite, food intake and cravings, thus helps in reducing weight. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorb a large amount of water that expands, thus increases fullness and further slows down the absorption process. Lastly, intake of chia seeds for breakfast increases satiety, thus reduces the overall food intake, which helps in weight loss. The high amount of fiber, protein and carbs helps in slow absorption, thus lead to weight loss. Since chia seeds are dry and tasteless, it mixes well with many recipes that may be juices, water, smoothies, soups, yogurt or even your favorite oatmeal. So eat the way you prefer with a nutritious meal that could be a perfect weight loss plan. On the other hand, overeating of chia seeds may be harmful to you that cause digestive problems like constipation, diarrhea or gas. So limit the intake and drink plenty of water when you start consuming chia seeds in your weight loss diet. Now let us make a simple chia seed smoothie that is good for weight loss. Please note down the ingredients. You need watermelon 1 cup, cucumber 1 cup, lemon juice 2 teaspoons, chia seeds 1 tablespoon and water half cup. Now let us see how to prepare the smoothie. Put all the ingredients in the blender and blend well. Pour into a glass and serve. Thus, it concludes that if you eat chia seeds in the correct way and in moderation, it will form a perfect weight loss diet for you. Thank you.